Hey guys, welcome to this review of the 2024 BMW X4. The X4 is a luxury SUV that combines the practicality of an SUV with the sporty performance of a coupe. For 2024, the X4 has been redesigned with a new look, more powerful engines, and additional standard features. Exterior. The exterior of the 2024 BMW X4 is more aggressive than ever before. It features a new grille, larger headlights, and new taillights. The X4 also has a wider stance and a lower roof line, which gives it a more athletic look. Interior. The interior of the 2024 BMW X4 is luxurious and spacious. It features high-quality materials and a comfortable seating position. The X4 also comes with a standard panoramic sunroof, which makes the cabin feel even more open and airy. Engine. The 2024 BMW X4 is available with a variety of engines, including a 248 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder, a 382 horsepower turbocharged 6-cylinder, and a 503 horsepower twin turbocharged 6-cylinder. The X4 M4Ti is the most powerful model in the lineup, and it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds. Features. The 2024 BMW X4 comes with the standard 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, a 12-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, and a host of other standard features. The X4 is also available with a variety of optional features, including a heated steering wheel, heated seats, and a head-up display. Driving the 2024 BMW X4 is a pleasure to drive. It handles well, it's responsive, and it's comfortable on long drives. The X4 is also a very capable off-roader, thanks to its available all-wheel drive system. The 2024 BMW X4 is a great choice for drivers who are looking for a luxury SUV that combines practicality, performance, and style. The X4 is also a great value for the money, thanks to its long list of standard features. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more car reviews.